is such a minor difference, but it makes all the difference in the world. So let's talk about it. There are two main players when it comes to this high-end wall organization solution, and both of them make metal galvanized pegboards, which isn't your granddad's pegboard. Let me tell you, these things can take a beating, they last a whole lot, and you can hang a lot of weight on them because of how they're hooked to the system. And the two companies are Wall Control and Omniwall. Now, both of the company's systems allow you to hang a lot of different styles of pegs, hooks, and shelves, and can take a lot of weight weighing on them because they're screwed into the studs. And I mean a lot. There's a few gallons of finish up on this wall. I have the brush cleaner and just a lot of finish. And if you were to try to hang this up on your granddad's pegboard, good luck to you. The way every single type of accessory goes into the Wall Control pegboard is the same. It slides in and then shifts down. Whereas the Omniwall pegboard having horizontal and vertical slots means that a lot of the hooks and pins are designed to take advantage of whichever layout best supports the type of hook that's being used. So what you end up with is a more stout and robust connection for the pegs. The way you lock these pegs in place is actually pretty nifty. It uses these tabs that if you've ever done any work on a vehicle, you are probably familiar with these. And there's a locking hole for every single type of accessory. So every single one of them can be locked in place, but you don't necessarily need to lock it in place if you want it to be more fluid and be able to, change it on the fly. It does come with the tool used to remove any locks that you have inserted. So either way. There's one other massive benefit that the Omniwall pegboard benefits from having both horizontal and vertical slots. These panels can be hung either vertically or horizontally. This is two vertical panels and one horizontal panel. They sell kits that allow you to connect them together, and it's unbelievable. Now, to be fair to Wall Control, they also sell horizontal panels, but you have to order those panels specifically made to be turned landscape, which can complicate things a little bit. I had leftover panels from a kit of the Omniwall, and I can just decide to hang those vertically if I so choose. Let's talk accessories for a second. And this may not seem like a big deal, but these are short hooks from each of their respective companies. This one's from Wall Control, this one's from Omniwall. Ignoring the length for a second because both companies have short, medium, and long hooks. You notice that the one from Wall Control has a direct 90-degree angle leading into the shaft of the pin. Meanwhile, the one from Omniwall has a more eased curve. And this may not seem like a big deal until you go to hang something on the wall on here and it gets caught trying to make this transition, where I found that more items can be hung with these style of hooks. It's such a minor difference, but it makes all the difference in the world. Both companies make all kinds of accessories: shelf, pins, pegs, hooks. The downside is neither company makes everything you might be looking for. So you're going to have to go through the websites to see which one better suits your needs in that case. Double downside is they are not interchangeable. You can see just the way they're sized and shaped just don't match at all. I was hoping it would, but they don't. And in terms of accessory, there is one from Omniwall that I think kind of takes the cake, and it's these serious hooks. They have them in different lengths, but the stoutness of this replaces a shelf, and you can see the way I've hung a lot of items just using these hooks is the bee's knees. I love it. All right, the full disclosure, Wall Control has offered for me to be a brand ambassador for them, and Omniwall has sent me some of their pegboard, and I don't know which one of those you should weigh heavier, but I tried to be as unbiased as possible in this review. At the end of the day, I'm trying not to suggest too strongly on going either way. It's your shop, it's your budget. Look into whichever one fits your needs better and go from there. My name is Brendan. I go by Cross and Miter all over the internet. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. Maybe share it with a friend. I'll see you next time. Peace. Wait. Actually, I forgot to tell you, I'm still a small enough channel that I answer all questions. So if you have any follow-up questions or information that you need about either one of these systems, let me know. Put it in the comments below. I'll answer as best I can. Peace.